Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Easy DIY here, back with another video. If you're new, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. In this video today, I have my Toyota Corolla. This is a 2010 Toyota Corolla. As you know, I've been using this car forever. It got like 195 miles on it right now, and boy, I tell you, this car will continue to ride. There's no issue with it at all. The engine, boom, all ready to go every day. But what comes with a high mileage car like this is that things start falling apart. The parts, you have to keep replacing stuff, and one of the things I want to replace today will be the interior car seat of the car. You can see at 195 miles, it starts to be stains. These things on the car seat that comes with it. Like you can see some buns. This is expected to come with how high mileage like this. I'll show you. Looking at this corner. Things start to fall apart. Got stains on this, but other than that, this car's been driving nice, no issue at all. All I want to do is to replace the car seat and match the interior of the car. This is what I've got from Coverado. It's in this product, which it's a beautiful leather car seat. It comes well packaged. One thing I like about this is the particular interior of the car. Product. Let me show you how this is looking. Yep, it comes with this installation manual you can use. And like I said, so they have everything in it. Just open it up. The front key. This is the top. Get the bottoms out. So all right, for me to start, it's better to just look at the manual, the installation manual you have, and to use it for proper installation. And all you just need to do is to grab some hooks. And one thing I'll say is that if you try to install the front seat, you see where the airbag sign is. That's where you want to make sure it's actually facing this side, so you don't put this one over there. This will be the one facing here, and the airbag goes in here this way, and the other car seat has this airbag, and it's gonna be on the other side. So you want to pay attention to that while you're installing. And like he said, you want to make sure you got 3 of those clips at the bottom. At the bottom here, 3 of the clips goes in there, and the hook for the lower seat stays at the front. So 2 hooks here, and then 3 clips here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now quickly. And I need this and the hook. So what I need is 3 of this and 2 of this for the front seat. Alright, so I got the hook ends and I got the clip ends, so I am ready to go with the front seat installation. But again, before I do anything, I'm going to show you one simple hack. If you live in a region where you have winter, you have cold winter, so it is better before you install the bottom one to buy one of this universal car seat heater, right? And then you're just gonna lay it down, and what this car seat heater does is it heats up the car seat. You can plug it to cigarette light output, and there's gonna be one in here for me. So I'm gonna lay it and then install this one on top of it. So why my car seat get heated too. So that's why I just want to show you a little bit of hack that you can do with that too. All right. So all right, I'm not gonna lie, the most difficult one will be the bottom, and it's because of this clip you gotta get around here. You have to tuck one through here and then catch the other one on this side, and this is what I'm talking about. See what it meant right here? So doing it on that side will be the what's the most difficult. See what I'm talking about? Still out here, so we're going out here. So it was really tough for me, you know, making sure everything is knocked in. But if you're able to do that, if you have small hand, not big hand like mine, it's gonna be easier for you. But I tell you, that's the most difficult thing. But now everything is looking great for me from this side, and look at what I'm saying, still looking good. And just gonna throw the hooks in underneath, and I'm gonna find somewhere underneath here to put the hooks in. Headrest is in, and then see how this is looking. Let's see from behind. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Alright, so I got a headrest, and then this is how the complete side is looking. One side, so I'm gonna do the other side and show you the entire thing. Alright, so I haven't taken out the back seat. This is how everything's gonna lay out. You got one piece right here. We connect to this other piece. This is the center piece. This is another piece. This is another one. This is another, and everything is laid out here in this diagram, right? So you're gonna have to put clips in between, clips, hook, clips. So that's how you're gonna do it. So like here, I'm gonna have two hooks over here, two hooks over here, and then this one in the middle. This is the middle one. No, this is the one that rests on the back over here, and this one in the middle right here. I'm gonna have this one hook over here, and then everything lays flat into the entire thing. And look at, if you follow this diagram well, that's how you're just gonna do it. So you're just gonna slide it in and then make sure everything meets right there. About to do, and look at this, and you might have to fold this guy down a little bit folded down from behind, and that's gonna be done in the trunk. We're gonna pull it forward a little bit, get this out of the way. And I'll grab one side. Now it has a little bit of zip here, which you need to open to stock in between here. So we're gonna open the zip first and then put it around the neck. Making sure everything is fine. Then plug the seat back right here, tuck this bad boy in, and catch it on the other side. So this is how the back seat is looking. You can see that one too. So very good. We got the seat belt all in here. No problem at all. It's looking fully. It matches with the Bible over here, and it's all full leather seat. So this is actually looking good. I love it. I really love it. I love what I'm seeing over here. I love the interior. See, so very beautiful. And like I said, this is a Coverado product. If you want something like this, you can use the link, my promo code in the description box, and you're gonna get a 10% off every of your purchase. And thank you so much for watching today's. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel or comment and keep using the promo code. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it. See you another time.